Nothing can stop me. Only 10 minutes left. Shadow Mountain, here I come! Huh? Wait, what is this rope? Huh? You there? Ah! Master, you lost 3 games today. Remember our rule. The loser of 3 games must cook dinner.
Wait! I am thinking. I am looking for a way to win this.
There is no way, Master. Checkmate is coming.
Oh dear, I think I have a cold. My head hurts. Achoo!
Nice try, Master. I know your trick. Hey, you troublemaker! You ruined our game!
Yeah, because of you, I was about to win this game.
I am not a troublemaker. I brought today's newspaper.
Let me see. Oh, look! There is news about us.
News about us? Read it, Master.
A master and his student played chess. The master lost too many games and fainted on the spot. Wait! Here is much better news. Look at this advertisement.
What does it say?
Pizza delivery! If delivery is 30 minutes late, it is 100% free. Free pizza?
But our house is on top of a huge mountain.
Exactly! It takes at least 1 hour to climb up here. We will get free pizza every night.
Master, you are terrible at chess, but brilliant at free food. Edo Pizza Shop, Anna speaking. How can I help you? Yes, sir. You want the largest size, right? 2 extra large special pizzas? Got it. Yes, we will deliver them right away. Thank you for ordering from Edo Pizza. Lily, come here quickly. We have an urgent order. I am ready, Anna. Where are these pizzas going? Deliver 2 large special pizzas to Master Kai on Shadow Mountain. Shadow Mountain? But that mountain is super high and steep. Listen carefully, Lily. Remember our rule. Do not be late. You must deliver the pizzas in under 30 minutes. 30 minutes? To the top of Shadow Mountain? That's right. If you are late, the pizzas will be free. And if they are free, I will cut your salary. Oh no, not my salary! And if I cut your salary, no crying allowed. Got it? Yes, boss. No crying. I am going now. Look, she is coming.
Good. Follow the plan. Time for trap number 1. Roar! Roar! I am a wild tiger. Give me your food. Ugh!
Master, your tiger roar sounds terrible. Watch me handle this. Haha! A fake tiger cannot stop me. Only 10 minutes left. Shadow Mountain, here I come! Huh? Wait, what is this rope? Huh? You there? Ah! Haha! She is dizzy now. I bet she will give up. Customer is God. I will never give up.
Oh boy! She is so stubborn!
We need to find another way quickly.
Run, Richie, run! Shortcut!
Oh no, a graveyard ahead. I really hate going through this place. It is so quiet and scary. Wait, I think I heard something. Boo! I am a scary ghost. Oh my goodness, a ghost! Help me! Please spare my life.
Hey, you! Clean your ears and listen carefully. I am the gambling ghost. If you defeat me in 3 games of chess, I will let you go. Got it?
It worked! She will lose at least 30 minutes here.
1 minute later.
You lost 3 games in a row already. Oh my, less than 1 minute and Master lost 3 games. Oh, Master, dear Master.
Hey, play one more game with me, please.
No way, I am busy delivering pizza.
but you must give me a chance to win back.
No means no!
Just one game. Only one.
Not even half a game!
I am begging you.
Don't beg me!
Are you afraid of losing to me?
Don't provoke me!
If you don't play chess with me, I will hit you.
I have never seen such a stubborn ghost like you. Transform and form into a grapevine!
Oh, mama! I have never seen such a weird grapevine in my life.
This is my first time seeing a human ghost scared of a tree ghost.
Save me, Richie.
Don't worry, Master. This time, I will trick the delivery girl into playing video games.
Just hold her back for 30 minutes and we win.
Remember, Master, you must only watch. You are not allowed to play. Video games with prizes here. Step right up. The prizes are some cheap balloons, right?
Whoa, how did she know?
Wrong. The main prize for this game is Ronaldo's signed match jersey. Ronaldo? Oh, can I play a game right now? Of course you can.
No way! First come, first serve.
Oh my goodness! Master, you promised not to play.
But I love Ronaldo's jersey. He is my idol too.
Well, I am busy delivering anyway. Old man, you can play first. Nobody will steal your turn.
Thank you! Respecting elders brings long life.
Master, look! You made her leave!
Who cares about her? I want Ronaldo's jersey.
Hey, wait a minute! It's almost your turn. This old man will lose very soon.
How rude! Who says I will lose? I will play with all my power.
Calm down, Master. Don't you want free pizza anymore?
I changed my mind. Eating pizza gets boring. But I love Ronaldo's
Then I am
jersey.
sorry, Master. Next player, please. Oh no! She is already gone! No way! I cannot be late! I must go faster! Hot and fresh Edo Pizza is here! Exactly 30 minutes, not 1 second late.
You actually made it?
That will be 50 coins, please. No free pizza for you today, Master.
We don't have any money today.
What? No money? You ordered pizza without money? Work faster, you two! Wash every single plate clean!
I just wanted a free dinner. Why am I washing dishes now?
Master, your great plan failed. No free food, and now we wash dishes for Anna.
Well, on the bright side, Anna said we get one slice of pizza after we finish.
Oh, Master, dear Master.